selve direktøren, Bakkens direktør Malina Lebrecht, vil komme os og sige et par bevægelser sammen. 1, 2, 3. Ej, jeg vil gerne klappe af. Super godt. Okay, vi tager lige Mariehønnen i glas, så er vi klar med cirkusorkester. 1, 2, 3.
Golden age for all the liars and fools, when everyone's opinion is the truth. Then the course is set for us, not much to do. Conform a lie, we're marching through the truth. Tonight I'm executing an 11 long yet in making plan to take humanity from poverty to luxury. Listen, crew, I've got a plan. Take this vessel from this land to the leaders on the top. Our time is right, we're moving on. It's a slippery slope by note through the shallow waters go. Train is loading up with coal.
Great.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Scott.
How are you?
Oh, good.
That's good.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
spot figure stand. Starches start to shove freeze one's men in the twisted folds I throw. You are a lot of people. Can we hear some noise from you? Yeah, quite right. But can you make it even louder like this? Let's try it again. A little bit slow. Okay, yes, you're ready. Okay. All together! We got honest thieves, we got pink elephants, we got green flying pigs, a hat in each hand. We got straws to cling to, a bucket filled with Okay, everybody sing here, come with me. Down. It will be very funny if you play with me. Sit down over there, sit down over here, sit down everywhere, sit down everywhere, sit down. Welcome leaders of the world, listen to the names. Kings and queens of every kind, humanity needs change. Wag the dogma, stop the wheel, throw norms heavy on. When you are free from all your wrong, this reason's just not he fought it hard for fellow. He took with him his green umbrella. When Ned would noisy little wag came out and waved his flag. And William came and I thought he wrote his stories and joined the other bully boys. Yeah, the silly bully boys.
Hans er en stor begivenhed på Bakken, som samler mange mennesker i et fællesskab, der markerer Midsummer og samtidig bliver startskud af Nathanielsen.
I den lille heks derude. Jeg vil jo se det selv.
For the third time.
Wow.